This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Good evening and welcome to Your Call. Tonight's episode is a special one. Tonight it's not about questioning my special guest of the week, it's actually about expressing support to the family and friends of a young girl who have gone to hell and back in the last 19 years. I'm joined today by the father of Ruchika Girotra, her close friend Aradhana, and her father, Mr. Prakash, who has fought this case. The three of them have fought virtually single-handedly with the system against them for the last 19 years. Let's just look at what's happened in these years.
After her death, I could not hold the racket in my hand.
What is the punishment, sir? Just 6 months.
I lost my child. और ये फैसला 6 महीने की सजा.
The 17 years old has gone through 3.5 years of harassment.
It's a judgment that has had the entire nation outraged. For the three people whose lives have been touched most by it are with us tonight. Thank you all very much for coming. And again, I express my sorrow for the grief that all of you have gone through in the last 19 years. Mr. Girotra, do you think that something will actually now change? Do you feel that maybe now, after so many years, if not justice, something will happen?
Hopefully, I am expecting, because the people of India are aware of this thing, that this has happened. The entire country is aware of this. The entire government machinery is aware of this. The entire judiciary is aware of it. Now I expect that justice will be done.
For the last 19 years, sir, you and your family have been harassed. You've been virtually in hiding.
He has been convicted, although it is not a proper punishment for him. And after such long years of 19 years, but still some consolation is there that at least he has been found guilty by the court. He has been found guilty. He is convicted.
Yes.
Now तो हमारी लड़ाई तो जारी रहेगी.
Of course, I think it really will be.
इससे में हौसला मिलता है कि प्राइम फेसिया जो इनिशियल ऑफेंस है मोलेस्टेशन का, चलो उसमें तो कन्विक्ट हो गया.
जी.
Now the question remains of abetment to suicide.
Yes.
Abetment to suicide, sufficient evidence is on record of the court file, and initially the special magistrate of CBI Ambala, it was first of this case was lodged in special CBI court Ambala.
Yes.
The special magistrate as speaking order had passed that abetment to suicide FIR should be lodged and this section should be added, and this was later on he challenged it in higher courts and got stayed.
How did these charges just disappear? When you heard that the charges had been dropped, what was your reaction?
We were astonished कि भी इतना स्पीकिंग ऑर्डर वो जो मैजिस्ट्रेट ने पास किया है, आफ्टर आई थिंक इट रन्स 20 पेजेस. ये स्पीकिंग ऑर्डर पास किया, उसने सबकी एविडेंस रिकॉर्ड पर लाया है मैजिस्ट्रेट कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस जो उसके भाई को हरास किया गया, उसके भाई की हरासमेंट के बाद लड़की ने सुसाइड की, जो इनको घर से निकाला गया. जी. सो दिस इज क्लियर केस ऑफ अबेटमेंट ऑफ सुसाइड. क्योंकि उसी जिस दिन वो लड़की मरती है उसी दिन उस लड़के को वहां से डिस्चार्ज कर दिया जाता है जेल से.
Exactly. So the facts seem clear. Let me get in Aradhana, who stood by her friend for 19 years, even after she was no more. Tell us, Aradhana, are those events of 19 years ago still fresh in your mind? Do you still think about them?
Recently I had to go to those lawn tennis courts where we used to play. So I could see her standing everywhere, and I didn't feel it is 19 years past, and it was as fresh as it's yesterday's thing, and we used to play there. So yes, the memories just came. I mean, I can always see her around me, but really yes, I can feel her everywhere.
She was just 14, you were just 13. That's such a crucial period in a young girl's